Yes, welcome to the channel. Just on my way to nature. Good old mother nature. Check it out, put some squirrels up, but yeah, boom, entering right now. Good old mother nature. I've had my coffee, I've had my cold shower, I've got my lemon water with me. So join me as I roll through nature. Right on my doorstep. But yeah, I hope everyone is doing well. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you're on your way in. Make sure you sub. Make sure you smash that like button. And obviously leave a comment and share to your good people. Sirens going off in the background. On the way here, going through the traffic lights, I see some woman drive past a red light and I'm just thinking, what are you doing? Like, what the hell are you thinking? They obviously ain't had their coffee, so they're moving mad. This is where I am, my spot. Welcome to my spot, Mother Nature. This little bench, donated by the councillors of St. Lawrence Ward during 2023. So whoever donated this, big up yourselves. Shout out to you lot in the video right now. Just kicking back, chilling. About to do a couple videos. This one for my vlogging channel, where I want to be traveling, exploring new places, finding the best coffee in the world. Because I'm gonna tell you right now, I have a massive coffee addiction that I don't know if it's good or bad. But yeah, gotta love coffee. So what am I doing today? Well, I've just come to my normal spot where I normally shoot my vlogs on my main channel, on my motivational channel. I'll put that in the link in the description below. If you haven't subscribed to that channel, make sure you do, but make sure you subscribe to this one. Let's go for a stroll. Look how nice it is. Check this out. Check this out. Dead branches and that. Check this out. Soon we'll be on one of those. But either way, we always take off. Because we're taking off right now. Lovely nature. We're in wonderful Mother Nature. It's always a blessing for this to be on your doorstep. Just be in nature, you know, just have fun with it. You know, if you got nothing else to do, don't just be sitting around in your house or your flat all day. Come out here and explore. Come out here and be in Mother Nature. You know, it's nice to be out here. Coming up to the park bit, but I'm gonna head back down and test out this new equipment I've got for boxing and just health and general fitness, especially for my weight loss. On my other channel, my motivational channel, I'll tell you the journey that I've been on 2 years ago. I'll mention it for this channel, just so you know a little bit more about me on this channel. I was 22 stone, 23 stone 2 years ago in 2022, starting from 2021. 2 years later, 3 years later pretty much, I am now on 16 stone. So it's been a real good journey and I feel good, feel in a better place. I'm just out here traveling, I'm out here exploring, getting in that fresh sun, having good cold showers to energize me, make me feel good, make me feel motivated. Check this out. We're right near the airport. So this park is right near the airport. Oh, nearly stacked it. That's why you want to be careful in winter time. You okay? Good day. Yeah, check this out. So we got another bit of the park here. People come play football, hang out, chill out. Oh, it's nice. I've not really been to this part. I really spend more time in a more peaceful, quiet part, away from everyone, you know, to gather my thoughts, to give motivation to the people on my motivational channel. So yeah, I'm kind of new to this one, but check it out. Man, what a nice day it is. In the new year, in the winter season, or what I call gully season. Gully because it's brutal. Gully because it's intense. Gully because it's harsh. We love the gully season. Bench here. But I've got to be careful with the mud. Councillors. St. Louis Wood, June 2023. Yeah, big them up, man. Big them up for donating these benches. You know, it's good. It's good to get out in nature, you know. It really is. It's important, it's vital. You know, we can't be stuck indoors all day, you know. We can't be stuck in four walls, do you know what I mean? We can't be doing that. You know, we're not in a prison, man. We're supposed to be free as possible. You know, check this out. Goals. Hey, you're a goalkeeper. Good luck to you, man. Try not to get wet. Check it out. We've got the other goal down there. Let's go back to my other spot because I want to test out some new equipment today. And yeah, see how I get on. I'm not gonna lie, I tested it out yesterday when I was in my home, and I can't lie. It's actually quite hard. I watched a few tutorials on it and stuff like that. But you know what? It's so fun to use. The reflex ball is so fun to use. So that's what I'll be testing out today. Check out. Don't know if you can see that. Another plane taking off. Every time I'm here, it's just planes always take off, you know. It's like a sign, you know, that ambition and that motivation. Just that manifestation and that path that I'm on, you know, to keep taking off, to keep flying to that destination. Nice blue sky today. Few clouds out. It weren't as, you know, it's not as good as it was the other day, last week. But happy that the sun's out. Jeez, check this out. It's so muddy, man. It was snowing the other day as well. So yeah, let's continue. Let's continue back where we left off. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice to be out here, like I said. You know, especially in winter. A lot of people are still indoors in their homes, enjoying their warmth, enjoying their dressing gowns and stuff like that, laying in bed. Nah, we're not about that. We're about Mother Nature. We're about exploring, traveling to new places, seeing new things, trying new things. And as I say, I'm on the hunt for the best coffee in the world. So if anyone knows or thinks where they know where the best coffee is in the world, feel free to let me know in the comment section below, and I will travel and find out for myself. But yeah, anyway, back at the spot. Boom, back at the spot. Lemon water there. So let's go ahead and test out this new equipment. reflex ball. The reflex ball, this is what we're going to be using and testing out today. It's actually really hard, you know. Hey. Doing this in the middle of winter, you know, or a quarter of a way through the winter. Hey. It's probably the best little combo shake I went on there. You know, you just gotta start off with light taps. You know, best way to do it is let it hang and just literally just start tapping it. Once you start tapping it, you can start doing double jabs. You know, jab with one hand, predominantly your strong hand. Yeah, just like that. And start, you know what I mean? Get like a good little vibe and a rhythm going, you know? Hey. I'm telling you now, one day I'll be as skilled as Tiavelmo Lopez. My man, what's his name? Lopez. Tiavimo. One day I'm gonna be skilled like him with this. You know, just having fun out here. You know, Mother Nature. See? Don't watch the style of the hair, just have fun with it. Hey. Hey. Boy, hit me in the mouth. Hey. Nah, it's fun, you know. So yeah, that's the reflex ball. Make sure you invest into one of these. You can use it indoors, and obviously where I'm at right now, I'm outside in good old Mother Nature. Yeah, so make sure if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you smash a like on that like button. Make sure you comment down below, and make sure you share to your good people. This is Hagen Vlogs. Until the next one, I'm out. Peace.